And mayong hapon basketball fans, and we're still live here at the Davao City Recreational Center, formerly known as Almendros Gym. And this is the Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office of the City Government of Davao City, and in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this is our fourth game for today, and this game is between the Team Didat up against the Team Iranon. So Team Iranon win their game yesterday, and itong Team Didat, they're trying to bounce back on their game yesterday. They lost their opening game. So Team Didat, they are wearing the dark jerseys, while Team Iranon is wearing the white jerseys. So grabe, maraming key players itong Iranon, especially itong si Larry De Lais, who's playing actively for CMO, along itong si Kenneth Yap. So all players already in the center court. So ball is up. First possession goes to Team Iranon. So great defense by Team Didat. Dalika, 3-point attempt. That's a miss. And rebound here by Team Didat. Ignacio. Para ito kay Montanier. Extra pass. Jumper. That's a miss. Dalika with the rebound. And bigay ito kay Larry De Lais. Lais. Para ito kay Lapitan. Lapitan. Pass to Dalika for two. Ang pangalan, Coyote sa pangalan, no? Si Lebron Delica, wearing jersey number 6. Jumper here by jersey number 10 for 2. So, it's Abraham. Lais. Guarded by Montanier. Ika na screen ni Dalaw. Lais fakes. Kick out. Lapitan for 3. And that's good! It's 5-2 is the score here. Montanier. Ito kay Abraham. Ito kay Ignacio. Balik kay Abraham. Abraham jumper. That's good! Lais. Galang screen dito. Idelica. Lais. Pass to Dalaw. Overshoots. Rebound by Abraham. Ito Montanier. Dire-diretso si Montanier. Stop up 3-pointer. That's a miss. Rebound. Dalaw is there. Bigay dito kay Larry De Lais. Lais. Iniwan kay Lapitan. Gana screen ni Dalaw. Lapitan. Balik kay Delica. 3-point attempt. And that's good! And it's got 4. His first 3-pointer in this ball game. Ignacio. Ito kay Montanier. Pasok kay Abraham. Kick out pass. Mamukaw. 3-pointer. And that's a miss. Rebound here by Lapitan. Lais, guarded by Montanier. Kick out pass. Lapitan, another 3-point attempt, and that's good! That's the second time Lapitan hits the 3-pointer. 12-4 the score. 8-point lead by Team Iranon. Ignacio. Ito kay Abraham. Balik kay Ignacio for 3, and that's a miss. And ball goes to Team Iranon. Inside pass dito. And great defense there by Abraham. Tondilica, no foul. And Samal has been called for was fouled here by Lapitan. Montanier, okay, dito kay Abraham, jumper, no good. Rebound by Dalaw, and eto na. Lapitan against Montanier. Great close out here by Mamukaw. Nakawala si Lapitan for 2! Great hesitation play by Lapitan. 13-4 is the score. And ito, Abraham. But that's a miss. Dalo with the rebound. And ayun, that's offensive foul call there.
Offensive foul on jersey number 6, Delica.
So Delica is called for a foul. And there's a foul. And I think that's on Delica again. He's really pleading his case there. That's LeBron Delica. That's his second personal foul. So shout out kay Wafa Lupon Latif watching from Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And so also shout out kay Jana Samburayan. Go, go, go! Bangsa Iranon. And Gugla Cotabato Tribe from Prince Odilim Latif. And also Gogo Iranon from Umayra Adilao Arumpak. And also shout out kay Wafa Lupon Latif for cheering for Go Didat. Yan. So balik ang bola sa Team Iranon. Lais with the ball. Guarded by Montanier. Lais creating a separation. Pass here to jersey number 8 for 3. Bang! That's on Di Makuta. That's his first 3-pointer in this ball game. Floater, and that's good. That's on Abraham. And ako, mukhang merong kakainitan doon. Ay, since sa deep play here, Montanier, ito, it was Lais and Abraham. Nagkaroon ng konting lambingan doon. So, Lais, guarded closely here by Montanier. They're down by 8 points from Dida team. Lais for Iranon. Crossover. Lais, kick out pass. Another 3-point attempt. Almost an N1. But there's a foul. Ito yung nice jumper dito ni Abraham. Dili po baliktad ang score. Tama po. Si Iranon is leading by 8 points, 16-8. Team Didat po is wearing the dark jerseys and Team Iranon is wearing the light. So 2 free throws here for jersey number 0, si Gotpoar. Free throw is good. 17-8 is the score. Second free throw for Gotpoar. And 2 for 2. So another free throw here for Gotpoar. This will be his 6th point in this ball game, and he does. An early lead by Team Iranon, 11 points, 19-8. Montanier. Yan ang screen dito ni Samal. Great dribbling screen by Montanier. Great swipe there by Lapitan. To Lapitan diretso for 2. And time out being called here for Team Didat. They talk things around. They're down by 13 points, 21-8. So we'll be right back after a short. Brightest team ball game. Team Dida has the ball. Ignacio drives. Ignacio for no good. Great defense by Team Iranon. Lais. Kick out pass Lapitan. Great crossover. Almost a steady by Mamukaw. Lapitan, floater, no good. Lost loose ball. Got 4. Pass ito kay Dalaw. Kick out pass. Lapitan for 3. No foul. Samal with the ball, rebound. Samal behind the back dribble. Almost lose the ball. Kick out pass. Mamukaw for 3. That's a miss. Abraham with a rebound. Jumper is good.
Out ball, Abraham.
10-21 is the score. 11-point lead here for Iranon. Lais guarded closely here. Drives. Lais for 2. Ayob. Ganito kay Mamukaw. Cross-court pass. Ignacio for 3. No good. Loose ball. And ball goes to Team Iranon. So shout out to my son, Suhail Gotpor, number 6 Iranon, from Amira M. Musa, from Dubai. Wow, from Masha Allah, your mama is watching from Dubai. Yan. Shout out to si Mr. Gotpor. And sa shout out po kay Bernard's Young Master, watching from Cotabato City. So shout out sa inyo ha. Lais with the ball for Team Iranon. Lais for 3. That's a miss. And loose ball. Save it. Good. Dalo gets the ball. No good. Great defense by Wanday. Dalo still gets the ball here. Dalo. What a move by Dalo for 2. Grabe. Paano pa nailusot ni Dalo? Yun. 15-point lead now for Team Iranon. Mamukaw. Pass to Abraham and swipe by Lapitan. Balik ang bola sa Iranon. Lais has the ball. Lais guarded closely here by Ayob. Binigyan ng screen dito ni Dalaw. Lais step back 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Abraham. Pasa dito kay Mamukaw. Mamukaw drives. Mamukaw and there's a foul. There's an instant replay here. Look at that sneaky move by Dalaw against the 2 defenders, Mamukaw and Wanday. Wow, what a move by Dalaw. So first free throw by Mamukaw is no good. So shout out dahil kay Go Bangsa Iranon from Jana Samburayan. And go Team Iranon from Amira Musa. Yan, and shoutout din sa insan ko, si Jepoy Montanier from Buds Maliga. And go Iranon, shoutout to my son, Rafa Nagle, watching from NCR. Yan, shoutout sa inyo ha. So a foul here, given up there by Team Didat. Mamukaw.
Calling attention on the vehicle owner, plate number MBQ 1309. MBQ 1309. Pakipuntahan po sa parking area.
So Mamukaw is sub out here. Babalik din si jersey number 23, Akan. Ayob is scored here. Ito, pressure defense applied now here by Team Didat. So timeout is being called here by Team Iranon. They will talk things around, and here's the replay here. There's a foul. So warning has been given up by the referees. back now to our ball game with 1 minute 31 seconds sa ating first quarter. Ito, medyo nagkakainitan na dito mga players. Alam mo, it's the pride of tribes din ito, kaibigan. So, this will be personal to them. They want to lose this ball game. Lapitan has the ball. Guarded close here by Ignacio. Lapitan. Great job defensive here. Pass to jersey number 34. To Samuel. Delica. Guarded by Wanday. Shoots for 3. Bang! Lebron Delica. Scoring from the outside is now a 16-point lead now by Team Iranon. Mamuka for 3. Answers! And finally, a 3-pointer by Mamukau. 13-point lead now by Team Iranon. Lais. Pass to Lebron. Mamukau na naman for 3. Delica rather. No good. Ignacio with the rebound. 4 pass by Ayo. Pass to Wanday. Extra pass. Mamukau jumper. No good. Substitute by Akan. But ball is out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Team Iranon. Shoutout sa uncle ko, King Philip de la Cruz Turquido from Ehrlich Anderson. Yan, shoutout sa imo ha. O shoutout kay Akim Samuel, my beloved nephew from Team Iranon, from Amira M. Musa. Lais has the ball. Lais. 3-pointer. Bang! The outside shooting of Team Iranon is so hot in this quarter. They're up by 16 points, 31-15. And that ends our first quarter. And mababalik tayo after a short break. And we're now back to our ball game with the start of our second quarter with our fourth game for today for our Ramadan Basketball League 2026. And the game is between Team Iranon versus Team Didac, with Team Iranon leading here by 16 points, 31-15. So, shoutout dito kay Team Iranon watching from National Capital Region. Shoutout kay Kuya Shak Di Makuta, Kuya Rafa Naga, Bunso Amir, Sef Nagli, Go Team Iranon. Shoutout ko kay Koy G Datumanong Lodi from Jad Kusin Kusain. Shoutout kay Lin Tangi ng Mr. MVP, Redobla Jesse Adrese. Yan, shoutout sa inyo ha. Salamat sa inyo pagsuporta sa atong live streaming dito sa Madeo Sports Davao. And by the way, pasalamatan din nato ang buo-buo ng Madeo Sports, si Commissioner Pong Escobal, si Sir Mickey Dihita, League Director, ang atong isa sa mga heads nato sa Madeo Sports Davao, sila Sir Miggy Solitaria. So without them, this league might not be possible, as well as the same time the Davao City Mayor's Office and the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. Yan. So out of bounds, ball stays with Team Didat.
14 seconds to shoot, 14.
Wanday. Inside pass, and that's blocked. No foul is called. Ayob asking for a foul. Ayun, siya pa ang natawagan ng foul dito. Great job by Kenneth Yap.
Pushing foul, jersey number 18, Dane Ayob. His first personal foul, first team foul for Didat.
Has Kasmin now already on the court. Guarded by Ayob. Kasmin. Extra pass. Delika. Kick out pass to Kasmin. No good. Still Kasmin gets the rebound. Extra pass to Gotpor. Extra pass to Delika. No good. And ball goes to Team Didat. And that's a travel. Huling-huli. Trazona is already now back in the court. Already in the court. He's the go-to guy yesterday's game nila. Nung opening game. Grabe yung ginawa niya ni Mr. Trazona. So I hope he can bounce back this ball game. Especially nag-graduate si Trazona. Kaya doon sila natalo nung first game. Trazona against Kasmin. Kenneth Yap. Guarded close here by jersey number 23. Samal and Yap. And there's a foul. So that means 2 free throws here for Kenneth Yap.
His first personal foul. 2 free throws for Kenneth Yap.
The first free throw is good for Kenneth Yap. So pa-shoutout di ay kay Kams Umpat Men Tumampad, Ismael Abinizia Zay Salindab, Meds Jelly ng Kabantian, Davao City, from Suaib Ed Mukamad. Shoutout sa inyo ha. Wanday. Pasok kay Trazona. Trazona drives. Kick out pass. 3-pointer. That's a miss. Flow tips it in for 2. And that's Abraham. Abraham is scoring here for Team Didat. I think he has 8 points already in this ball game. Kasmin. Ay, got 4. Balik kay Kasmin. Balik kay got 4. Got 4. And that's a foul. And that's on Abraham.
Foul jersey number 10. Ako Abraham, subdivision first personal foul.
Gotpor will inbound the ball. Get dito kay Delika for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Abraham. Trazona has the ball. Trazona shoots for 3. That's a miss. Abraham with the rebound. Jumper. And that's good. Forward pass ito kay Lapitan. And there's a steal. Trazona has the ball. Trazona. Oh. Try to do a fancy pass. Kick out. Ahmad. Kay Trazona. Wanday. Jumper. It's good. Gotpor has the ball. Guarded closely here by Abraham. Gotpor. Delika. Against Wanday. Delika. Emergency pass to Kenneth Yap. Yun. That's an offensive foul on Delika. So instantly here. Wanday. Jumper. Basic jump shot yan from Trazona. Instantly as well. Ito yung effort doon ni Abraham. Tarzona. 3-pointer by Akan, no good. Loose ball. Kuha ni Dalao. And Godfor has the ball here for Team Iranon. What a nice pass inside to jersey number 8. To Mr. Hussein. 14-point lead. Tarzona for 3. That's a miss. Rebound here by jersey number 17. Si Kenneth Yap. And he was fouled.
Holding foul, jersey number 23, Samir Akan. His second personal foul. 14
And Akan's called for a foul. Kenneth Yap has the ball. Galing by Akan. Yap. Drives. Spins. And that's a trouble.
Tracking information of Kenneth Yap.
Tarzona, pasito kay Akan for 3!
And 3 for Samir Akan.
So that's first 3-pointer of this ball game for Akan. And the lead is cut down to 11 points, 35 to 24. Dalao, and that's a foul. Great setup there. And great move by Dalao, not forcing the issue and tried to catch a foul.
Pushing foul, jersey number 14, Ryan Tarzona, his first personal foul. 2 free throws for Harry Dalao.
And a miss here by Dalao.
Subdivision.
So 5 minutes and 26 seconds remain sa ating first half. 36 to 24 is the score. 12-point lead for Team Iranon. And fadeaway jumper there, but that's no good. Lapitan. Yan, Stevie got 4, no foul. Lapitan for 3, that's a miss. Loose ball. Kenneth Yap for 3. And that's a miss as well. Akan did not get the ball. Got 4 for 3. Foul! And another time has been called here by Team Didac. They're down by 15 points. And that's courtesy of this 3-pointer by Godfor. And mababalik tayo after short break. So we're back na to our ball game with a miss there coming from Tarzona. So mukhang inaalat pa ngayon dito si Tarzona for Team Didac. Great pass, Dalao! No good! And Dalao still nothing there from the tip in. Balik ang ball sa Team Didac. Tarzona has the ball. Tarzona drives. Tarzona, extra pass. Almost a turnover. Balik ang bola dito sa Team Didac. 15 seconds to shoot here. So, shoutout din sa atong 228 viewers, mga kaibigan. And that's a turnover again. And Team Irano against the ball. Tatlo na yata foul dito ni Mr. Akan. Yes, and actually, that's confirmed. That's third personal foul. So, medyo si Akan, gamit pa naman si Akan dito sa kanila, especially offensively. But he's already in the third personal foul. So, Iranon will shoot 2 free throws here. And that's a miss. So, shoutout dito sa Alcano Kyrie Iranon team. Alano Kaye from Iranon team. Paldo na. Salamat from Jasanudin Panuntongan. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo ha. So, there's a clarification needs to be done here. So the referees will talk things around. So, we'll be right back after a short break.
For David Samuel.
And 1 point is scoring for jersey number 34 for Team Iranon. This is Samuel. Self throw is no good. So balik ang bola sa Team Didat. They're down here by 16 points. Montanier. Ito kay Ayob. 3-pointer. That's short. Abraham sky high with the rebound but can't control basketball. Trazona is there against Mugdalaw. Trazona! There's a foul. So they're not in the penalty. So baseline inbound only for Team Didat.
Seconds on the shot clock. 14.
Didat has the ball here. Montanier kick out pass. Ayob for 3. Bang! It's Akman. Rather. It's the 3. Kick out pass. Gokpor tries to answer. And he does! Balik sa 16 points na lamangan dito. Trazona shoots for 3. And he scores! Down to 13. 43-30. Kenneth Yap pass the ball. Garnet closely here. Spins. Step back, no good. Dalaw almost getting a rebound, no good, but Montanier is there. Montanier, foot race with Gokpor. Montanier for 2! 11-point lead now for Team Iranon. Kenneth Yap. No good. Montanier gets the ball. Montanier, forward pass dito kay Trazona. Trazona! Challenging got for. But there's a foul. It's a deep D here. Akan 3-pointer. So Kenneth Yap is called for warning for faking a foul. Trazona. So to free throw siya, a chance to trim down na rito a single digit. And he makes the first free throw. So 10-point lead. And that's a miss. So 10-point lead here for Team Iranon. Godfor wide open. Drives. Godfor. No good. Samal with the rebound. Balito kay Montanier. Montanier nakawala. Montanier. Great pass to Trazona. Spins. Scores! 8-point lead na hinahabol dito. Didac. Extra pass to Kenneth Yap for 2. Ganda naman ang cut ni Kenneth Yap. Great pass by Godfor. Trazona. Hiningi ni Montanier, dibigay. Trazona try to spin. Loses the ball. And that's a foul on Trazona.
Losing foul on jersey number 14. Ryan Trazona, his second personal foul, penalty.
And it's a penalty situation na dito ang Team Didat. So, a free throw here now for Team Iranon.
Free throw for Muhammad Hussein.
First free throw is good. And two for two for Mr. Hussein. So balik sa 12 lamang dito ng Team Iranon. Montanier has the ball. Trazona drives. Inside pass. Stolen. Lapitan. Against Montanier with the spin. Lapitan for 2. Passes to Samal. Jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. Ito ilapitan. Lapitan. Pass ito kay Hussein. Hussein against Samal. Wala spin by Hussein. And ball stays with Team Iranon. 14 seconds to shoot here. So a time was being called here for Team Iranon. And they're up now by 14 points. So we'll be right back after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 42.3 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Iranon leading here by 14 points, 49-35. Hussein, jumper, no good. Rebound here by Godfor. Godfor spins, Godfor shoots, no good. Dalaw with a offensive rebound block by Trazona. Godfor gets the ball, wide open, lapitan for 3. Hey, Kenneth Yap, brother, for 3. That's huge! And the lead is up to 17 points. 52-35. 10 seconds remaining. Montanier loses the ball. Sama, labitawan pa ang bola.
Out of bounds, the ball possession in a room.
This is a replay here. Wide open. Itong si Kenneth Yap and nothing but net yan.
Game clock, 3.4.
Is that 3 seconds? Gives it up! And basket. And that ends our first half with a score of 52-35. A 17-point lead here by Team Iranon over Team Didat. So what a great offense shown here by Team Iranon, showing their outside shooting. That's why they are leading here by 17 big points. Larry Delais showing his prowess noong first quarter. And babalik tayo after syempre pa sa ating second half.
Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy watching Ramadan Basketball 2026 with KSK Purpala Boy Power! Maraming salamat KSK Purpala Boy Power! Third quarter possession out of Iranon.
We're back now to our ball game with the start of our third quarter ng ating fourth game ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026. And this is the game against Team Didat up against the team of Iranon. Team Iranon leading here by 17 points, 35-52. So Team Iranon here wearing the white jerseys, spearheaded by Larry Delais, while Team Didat naman are wearing the dark jerseys, spearheaded by itong si Tranzona at saka ito si Abraham. But they're down here by 17 points. So they need to bumawi dito sa karoon ng quarter kasi they can't afford na mapalaki ang kalamangan dito ng Team Iranon going to fourth quarter. So there needs to be clarifications here first. So we'll be right back after a short break.
Technical foul for delay to game. Iranun.
And we're back now to our ball game with 9 minutes and 45 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. And ito, basket there by Hussein, making the lead now up to 19 points. Ayob. Okay, Hassan. Ayob drives. Kick out. Three-pointer by Akan. No good. Loose ball. Hassan. But that's a miss. So balik ang bola dito sa Team Iranon. Three-point attempt here by Hussein. Rebound by Akan. Ayob, balik kay Akan. Akan! No good! No foul. Dalaw with the rebound. Got forward pass. And almost a steal here. Montanier. Forward pass dito kay Black. Great defense naman by Team Iranon. But there's a foul.
Holding foul on jersey number 18, Ayob. Second personal foul on Ayob.
So Ayob is being called for a foul. Lapitan, kick out pass. Got 4 for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Montanier. Montanier, diretso. Montanier, kick out pass. Akan, balik ito kay Hassan for 3. Bam!
For Hassan.
38-54. 16-point lead. Loose ball. Pick up by Team Didat. Forward pass ito kay Montanier. Ako, sobrang lakas ng tira. Pasa ni Ayob kay Montanier. Substitution being made. Dalaw has been subbed out here by De Luca for Team Iranon. Makalawi. Pass ito kay Hussein. No good. Hey, na-tip in by De Luca. Delica. Great tap there by Delica. So Hassan was not able to gather that rebound. Hassan. Carry by Delica. Pass to Ayob. Ayob. Inside pass to Samal for 2. Paul Samal. Got an N1 situation.
Jersey number 8. First personal foul.
First
foul. Bonus free throw for Paul Sama.
The free throw is no good for Samal. So the lead is at 16 points, 56-40.
Jersey number 23, Samir Akan.
So Akan is being called for a foul. And that's fourth personal foul on Akan. Kapitan. Finally got 4. Delica for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Akan. Ayob. Diretso si Ayob. Extra pass to Akan with the reverse.
Samir Akan.
Lapitan, pass kay Makalawi. Balik kay Makalawi. Kick. Pass to Got 4-4-3. That's a miss. And great backs up there by Samal to Hussein.
Holding foul on jersey number 8. Muhammad Saeed. He's taking personal foul position. 13 foul.
Malawi sub out here by Kasmin. Ayob. 3-pointer. And that's good for jersey number 28. Si Mr. Ahmad. So, the lead is cut down to 11 points. 45-56. Lapitan. Dito kay Delica. Dito kay Kasmin. Pick out pass to Lapitan. Great play to Delica. Delica. And naputukan sila ng 24 oras. So, sa shot clock violation. So, balik ang bola sa Team Didat. Ayob, jumper. That's a miss. Gotpor with the rebound. Ganito kay Hussein. Ganito kay Kasmin. It's Ayob. Pass to Gotpor. Balik kay Hussein. Pass kay Lapitan for 3. No good. Rebound by Hassan. Pass dito kay Ahmad. Ahmad, stop up 3. Bang! Back-to-back 3-pointers by Ahmad. And the lead is cut down to 8 points.
Timeout, Tiralo.
9 points, 48 to 56 to 8 points. So we'll be right back after a short break. Back now to our ball game. Kasmin wide open for 3. That's a miss. And Didat will get the basketball. They have the momentum now. They're down by 8 points only. Ito rin yung nangyari sa kanila nung opening game. Yesterday, they're down big. At humabol sila sa dulo, but kinapos lang. So we'll see if this will be a different story here for Team Didat this ball game. Ayob, pass kay Hassan. Hassan tries to step back. Akan! No good! And that's out of bounds on Dalaw. Didat will keep the possession. So we're gonna talk things around here.
Shot clock, 14 seconds. 14 seconds.
14 seconds shot clock here. 14 seconds to shoot with 4 minutes 32 seconds. A chance here to shift momentum with a basket. A 3-point attempt by Ahmad. And this time, it didn't fall. Kasmin. No good. Nandun si Lapitan for 2. Balik sa 10 lamang dito. Ayob. Pass to Ahmad. Akan. Ito kay Hassan. Floater. Overshoots. And that's a foul. And that's on Gotpor.
Holding down the jersey number 0, Sakini Gotpor. Third personal foul. Second personal foul.
Hassan inside against Delica. No fouls. Samal gets the ball. Samal jumper. No good. Offensive rebound here. Kick out pass. Ahmad for 3. That's a miss. Ito. Great pass. Ayob. Extra pass. Ayob again. Jumper. It's still a miss. Delica with the rebound. Great effort there by Didat, but the basket just won't fall down. Lapitan, crossover. Great crossover again. Lapitan! No good. Then Ayob gets the ball. Ahmad. Pass ito kay Ahmad. Ahmad. Thinking 3. Great pass. Fakes. Oh, lumipad naman ang bola. Oh, great pass. Ahmad for 3. And that's a foul. And that's on Kasmin. A chance here to trim down the lead to 7 points if may pasok lahat ng free throws ni Ahmad. So Nabli will be put in here for Team Iranon.
Warning on the bench of Iranon for proper bench decorum.
So warning on the bench of Team Iranon for improper bench decorum. And the free throw is good. And a miss by Ahmad. So it's a 9-point lead. And that's good. It's an 8-point lead now for Team Iranon. Lapitan has the ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Lapitan flips it up for 2. Great job there by Aying Lapitan. Still back a 10-point lead. Ayob has the ball. Ganito kay Samal. Isang pass to Abraham, but bad pass. Great defense by Gotpor, forcing the turnover. Lapitan has the ball here. Pass ito kay Gotpor. Drives. Spins. Loses the ball. And Gotpor almost save it. Great save. Floater. No good. And that's a foul. And that's on Dalao. Oh, it's on Delica. It's called for a foul. 1 minute 53 seconds. And they're ready in the penalty. So this means free throws already for Team Didat. A chance here to score without moving the clock. So Abraham will shoot 2 free throws. And he scores. for 2 for Abraham. So the lead is down to 8 points and almost a steal by Ayub. Lane violation si Ayub. Sayang.
Stepping on the baseline.
And finally, a technical has been called here for Team Iran and for power bench si Corum.
Technical foul.
Halos ang daming players na nagre-reklamo for sa referees. So usually, it's only the coaches should be the one pwede makausap ang mga referees, but the players are still talking. So kaya tinawagan sila ng technical dito. So it can cause momentum for Team Iran. So they just need to keep their cool, calm the situation. Kasi lamang pa sila dito ng 7 points. 1 minute 48 seconds remaining. Sa ating third quarter pa. Marahaba-haba pa ito. Lapitan. Naskin ni Dalaw. Lapitan. Great pass. Dalaw block! But there's a foul on Samal. Sumabit daw sa kamay. Kaya tinawagan siya ng foul doon. So Dalaw will shoot 2 free throws.
His first personal foul. 2 free throws for Ali Samal.
And only a single free throw is made. So 8-point lead here for Team Iran. Didat has a chance here to make it the smallest lead. The ball game to 6. Hassan for 3. Almost. And ako hindi nahawakan doon. Maigi. So balik ang bola sa Team Didat. At chance na naman for Team Didat.
Shot clock 14 seconds. 14 seconds.
Ayub will inbound the ball. Okay, Ahmad. Ahmad, balik kay Ayub. Yan ang screen. Ayub. Sets up ito si Ahmad. But buti na, tumama sa 3 seconds to shoot here. Hassan. Shoots. That's a miss. Rebound by Lapitan. $12 seconds to shoot here. 49 seconds remaining. 9 seconds to shoot for Lapitan. 7-second shot clock. Kick out pass. Inside pass to Dalaw. Extra pass. Stolen. No foul is called. And then balik as ball is out of bounds. Ball stays with Team Didat. 20 seconds in the shot clock. 35 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Abraham, kick out pass to Ayub. Pass to Hassan, balik kay Abraham. Jumper, it's good! 6-point lead na lang, inawal ito Team Didat. Gumaganda ng laban natin mga kaibigan. $12 seconds. 9 seconds. 8 seconds. 7. 6 seconds. Ahmad, pass to Dalaw. Dalaw loses the ball again. 1 second. And they just not able to throw the ball. But that ends the third quarter. Great run by Team Didat. They are down as much as 15 points. Ngayon, 6 points na hinabol nila. So magbabalik after short break para sa ating fourth in final quarter. So stay tuned. And we're back now to our fourth and final quarter for our fourth game ng atong second day ng atong Ramadan Basketball League 2026. The game between Team Iranon up against Team Didat. And as the basket is made in again by Abraham, is really a menace from the mid-range. The lead is cut down to 4 points, and now a chance here to trim down the lead to 2 or 1 point. Kick out. Ignacio. Abraham again for 2! The lead is cut down to 2 points, 59-61. Lais. 3-pointer, that's a miss. And dali ang bola sa Team Didat. Extra pass. Pass to Hassan! No good! Lapitan. Pass to Got 4. Lais thinking 3. Drives. Jumper. That's a miss by Lais. Trazona has the ball. Trazona, the hype man. Trazona. Anong pasa? Kick out. Ignacio. 3-pointer for Ahmad. No good! Loose ball. Baghdad has the ball. Two-point lead only here for Team Iranon. Lais. His first two attempts is a miss. Ito, 3-pointer. Bang! You can't do that to Claridel Lais. He will always shoot. Hindi mo siya pwedeng mag-underneath the screen ka kapag si Claridel Lais sa sarapan mo. And he makes you pay. And he does there. 5-point lead. Hassan. Kick out. Drives. Abraham. Jumper. It's good. 3-point lead only for Iranon. Lais again. Dito kay Mukotfor. Baghdad. Inside pass to Gotpor. Reverse kaya for 2! Hassan has the ball here. Trazona for 3. That's a miss. And a steal by Trazona against Dalo. Trazona spins. Still Trazona. Kicking out. Ahmad for 3. No good. And loose ball. And balik ang bola sa Team Iranon. It's the instant replay here. Ignacio. Extra pass to Abraham. And this another Abraham basket here. Another one dribble pull-up jumper. That's his money shot. Gotpor. Ito, wide open si Gotpor for 3. That's short. Great defense by Didat. Trazona has the ball here. Trazona drives. Trazona. Kay Hassan. Ahmad for 2! And that's Ignacio. 3-point lead na lang hinabol dito. 66-63. Kung maganda ating laro mga kaibigan, as much as high as 15-point lead. Tatlo na lang, hinabol ang Team Didat. They never taken the lead. Can they do is on time here in the fourth. Nice for 3! Almost! Rebound there by Abraham. Trazona has the ball. Great dribbling skills by Trazona. Trazona. Kick out. Hassan for 3! That's a miss. Rebound by Baghdad. Forward pass dito kay Kenneth Yap. Yap. Inside pass to Gotpor. No good. Great tap by Hassan. Ignacio has the ball. Ignacio. Pasa dito kay Trazona against Lais. Trazona. That's a bad pass. Eto na si Lais. Lais. Great defense by Trazona. Forward pass. Abraham jumper! Almost na naman! It could bring the house down for Didat if that Abraham jumper was put in. 3-point lead still by Iranon. Kenneth Yap. Guarded here by Akan. Yap for 3! That's yours! Cold-blooded 3 by Kenneth Yap. Balik sa anim malamang dito ng Iranon. Trazona. Guarded by Lais. Trazona for 3. Answers the 3-pointer! The lead is cut down to 3 points. Baktad. They up by only 3 points. Masyado tagal sa yung bola. Kenneth Yap na naman. Canhinel na second. Cold-blooded shot. And a steal! Forward pass dito. Layup! Puerto! Bayakan na lead is cut down to a single point. What a game by Didat. What a recovery. And is the replay Trazona. Pass dito kay Akan. And the lead is cut down to a single point. And time has been called by Team Iranon, and we'll be right back after a short break. Lais has the ball here. We're back to the ball game. Lais, diretso, but there's a foul. So Lais will try to take over in this ball game. So shoutout daw kay Al-Raji Kasmin Monib. Shoutout sa Imua. And Gary Lais hits the first free throw. So shoutout as well to Lin Tangi from Cairo Vlog. So shoutout sa Imuha. Baka naman, Cairo Vlog, pa ano naman dyan. So, 2 for 2 for Glory de Lais. So, balik sa tatlo lamang dito ng Iranon. So, Trazona has been defensively against Lais. 1-on-1. Trazona, kick out pass. Glory de Lais, bigyan ng skin sama, hindi ginamit. Bigyan dito kay Akad. 3 seconds to shoot. Akan for 3. That's short. Lapitan. Ito kay Kenneth Yap. For pass ito kay Glaridel Lais. Thinking 3. Almost a steal there. Trazona na naman against Lais. Jump ball. Iranon basketball po. So, 8 seconds to shoot. Shoutout po sa vlogger na Sultan Kudarat Maguindanao, Bads Maliga. Shoutout kay Cedrin Amin Lais. So, shoutout sa Imua, ma'am. And shoutout kay Muhammad Malagonoy Abdul Jr. from Sultan Kudarat Maguindanao del Norte. Kenneth Yap, long 3. That was supposed to be huge. That went in. So a chance here for Team Didat. And a time has been called here for Team Didat. Their coach wants to toxing around. Magbabalik tayo after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Trazona for 3. Long 3! He is taking over for Team Dida. Si Trazona. 1-on-1 against Glary Del Lais. 71 all. Defensive challenge by Team Didat. Bactad against Ignacio. Bactad. Extra pass to Lais. Drives. Lais shoots. Lais miss. And a rebound by Samal. Bigay dito kay their main man. Trazona was at hand in the last 5 minutes of this ball game. Trazona against Lais. Trazona bigyan ng screen ni Samal. Hindi ginamit na naman. Trazona. Flow away jumper. No goal. And ito tapik utak ilapitan. Last 2 minutes mga kaibigan. 71 all. Inside pass. Dalaw. Power move by Dalaw. He overpowers si Samal. So sana po watching here sa Lugay-Lugay, Cotabato City. Number 11 Samal. Mami from Yasmin Mahmoud Samal. Ignacio. Step back 3. That's a miss. And balik kay Kenneth Yap ang bola. 1 minute 27 seconds remaining. Kenneth Yap has the ball. Hiningi ni Lais, di binigay ni Kenneth Yap. Binigay kay Bactad. Balik kay Kenneth Yap. 10 seconds to shoot. Lais for 3! Oh! Napakasakit doon for Team Didat. What a shot by Lais! No hesitation! Ginawang asintahan ng defender ni Glary Del Lais. Here's the instant replay. That's Abraham. Grabe. Pagkakuha pala ng bola, set up his feet. Shoots. Hindi mo siya pwede talaga bigyan ng distansya. Ito yung 3-point attempt dito ni Trazona. Pantabla. What a shot by Glary Del Lais. They lead by 5 points. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. So pasyaro din kay Muhammad Adis Calo, ang tirador ng mga bata sa Cotabato from Azmin Malog. Yan, shoutout sa inyo ha mga idol. So 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. Team Dida has the ball. Trazona, can he make an answer here? Trazona shoots for 3. And that's a miss. Almost in and out. So 5-point lead here. Iranan has the ball. Bactad. Seconds to play here. They just need to play honest defense here. Ignacio on Lais. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Lais for 3. Oh! And that might be the dagger. Glary Del Lais of CMO showing his back-to-back threes. Trazona. That's a foul. Lapitan. At the buzzer po, Glary Del Lais. Top shot. Nothing but net yan for Glary Del Lais. Coming from a screen. All over the defense of Ignacio. Ginawang asintahan. Glary Del Lais. Nothing but net. Trazona gets his own miss, then that means free throws here for Trazona.
Foul in jersey number 95, Pinay Bactad. He's one personal foul. 2 free throws for Ryan Trazona. Substitution for Dida.
So Trazona, we have another set of free throws here. And he does. So it's still a good thing here for Didat. You just need to make this free throw para 5-point lead lang. And he makes it. So they just need to play honest D here and try to steal. And Baghdad is fouled. So he will shoot 2 free throws here.
Foul to jersey number 10, Apo Eva. 2 seconds personal foul.
And ako, wala pa pala. Layo pa. 3 fouls pa bago pa maka-penalty. Ito kay Baghdad. And that's a foul. So 20.7 seconds remaining.
Holding foul of jersey number 35, Dead Boy Fontañez. 13 foul for Didat.
So 13 foul pa. 2 more fouls. Baghdad. Dito kay Kenneth Yap. Dito kay Lapitan. 1 more foul. 16.9 seconds.
Second personal foul. 13 foul for Didat.
Lais. And that's a foul. Of Larry De Lais. So Lais will shoot 2 free throws here. So he can seal a victory here for Larry De Lais.
14 foul for Didat.
You just need to make these free throws to make sure to make it a 3-possession ball game here. So 1 more foul. And it's Lapitan. So 14.3 seconds. So Lapitan needs to make these free throws.
New free throws for Ayik Lapitan.
And he does. 6-point lead. Two for 2, and I think that may do it. 3-possession lead. 7-point lead here. Dito kay Trazona. 3-pointer. And that's a miss. Montañer. Ignacio for 3. Wide light, and that may do it. As Team Iranon win a thriller game against Team Didat. And Team Iranon will be 2-0 for our tournament. And itong Team Didat naman is gonna be 0-2. So meron pa po tayong next game mga kaibigan. The RMT team. Maglalaro pa po sila. I-check pa po namin sino kalaban nila. But meron pa po tayong next game. So again, daghang salamat sa atong 200 plus viewers. Please, comment down the lane po sa mga shoutouts ninyo. Dapat tayong next game. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa atong live streaming sa Madeo Sports. So ako din, ako this is Karan, ang inyong game anchor. So see you next game.
DC Travel and Tours. Again, we would like to ask both teams after one game natin, may go pa tayo ngayon.